How to add a clickable link to your TikTok bio. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you the secret way on how to add a clickable link to your TikTok bio. But make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. What I'm going to do first is to head into the TikTok app on my phone. Now when I'm on my TikTok app, then what you normally need to do is to click where it says Edit Profile and then scroll down until you can see where it says Add Your Website. Now write the website that you want to promote and then click on Save in the top right corner. But if you don't have this option on your profile, then keep watching because I will show you how to fix this issue. What you need to do first is to go back here and then you need to take a screenshot of this page and then save it to your camera roll. You need to take a screenshot of this because you need to show TikTok that you don't have the website option in here. After you have taken the screenshot, then click here to go back to your profile. Now when you're back in your profile, then you will simply need to click on this try bar symbol in the top right corner. Then click on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down until you can see where it says Report a Problem, and that is exactly where you will need to click. Now scroll down and click where it says Account and Profile. Now we need to click on Editing Profile. After that, scroll down a little bit and click on Changing Account Bio. In here, we will need to click on No, then click on Need More Help. In here, you will firstly need to click here and then select the screenshot that you took before. Then don't forget to click on Confirm in the top right corner. After you have done that, then you will need to explain to TikTok that there's an issue that you don't have the website option on TikTok. So you need to write something like this. I am not able to add a link to my TikTok bio. This function is very important for my TikTok user experience. Please check my screenshot that I have linked in this report and you will see that there is no website option. Please fix this for me. Basically, write something like that. It does not have to be 100% identical, but as long as you can explain to them that there is a problem with the website option and ask them to fix this problem for you. Because this report will actually go straight to somebody that works for TikTok. So they are basically the only ones that can help you solve this issue fast. After you are done, then you need to click on Report. I already have the website option, so I'm not going to click here because I don't want to waste their time. It usually takes about 1 to 3 business days for them to respond back to you, just so you know. If this does not help, then keep watching. Go back to your profile once again and click here. Then click on Settings. When you're in here, click on Manage Account. And now click on Switch to Business Account and then follow these instructions in here to switch your account to a business one. Sometimes I have seen that this has actually worked for some people, but not for everybody. Something that I have also heard, but I cannot 100% say that this is for sure. I have heard that you will need to have at least 1,000 followers on TikTok to get the option to add a link. So if you don't have 1,000 followers now, then that might be why you're not seeing that option on your account. If you're though close to 1,000 followers, then just keep posting and hopefully you will hit the 1K mark very soon. Let me know in the comments below if you have questions. I will try to answer to as many as I can, so don't hesitate to ask. And also, don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be useful to you. Thank you very much for watching and I wish you a great day.